I'm Lenise Mayfield, and I would like to welcome you to one of our newest neighborhoods in Conway, South Carolina. It's called Blackwater Cove on the Waccamaw River. Our community features 5 model home floor plans for you to choose from, ranging anywhere from 1,408 heated square feet up to 2,048 heated square feet. Whether you would like to jog or walk along our trails, or if you would like to launch your boat right into the Waccamaw River, there is something right here in this neighborhood for you. These homes are all 3-bedroom, 2 baths, and we have available lots for you to be able to choose from and build on. Whether you're looking for your very first home or your forever home, Blackwater Cove on the Waccamaw River has something for everyone.